Welcome to Mindshift TV, your destination for cutting-edge insights and strategies to enhance your life. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it can be a game changer in generating passive income. Are you ready to explore the incredible AI tools that can work tirelessly for you, helping you build wealth even while you sleep? If so, stay tuned because we're about to unveil the secrets of AI-powered passive income. Let's get started. Imagine having smart AI tools at your disposal working 24/7 to grow your income streams. In this video, we'll show you how AI can turn your dreams of passive income into a reality. Join us as we unveil the future of wealth building with AI technology. 1. The rise of AI-powered passive income. Our first segment explores the rise of AI-powered passive income and why it's a game changer. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we live and work, and it's changing the landscape of passive income opportunities. AI-driven tools and platforms have evolved to offer innovative solutions for generating wealth with minimal effort on your part. We'll discuss specific industries and sectors where AI is making the most significant impact, from finance and e-commerce to real estate and content creation. Automation is the backbone of passive income. AI tools automate various aspects of your income-generating activities, allowing you to free up your time and resources for other pursuits or to scale your passive income streams. We'll provide real-life examples of how automation through AI is making it easier than ever to create and manage multiple passive income streams simultaneously. AI tools are no longer exclusive to tech experts or large corporations. They are increasingly accessible to individuals and small businesses. User-friendly AI platforms and affordable solutions are democratizing the benefits of AI-powered passive income. We'll delve into some of the user-friendly AI platforms and resources that anyone can start using today to tap into the power of AI for passive income. 2. AI-powered investing. Our second segment focuses on how AI can revolutionize your investment strategy for passive income. Robo-advisors have become a prominent feature of the modern investment landscape. These AI-powered platforms analyze your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions to create a tailored investment portfolio that's optimized for long-term growth. We'll dive deeper into how robo-advisors work and the potential returns they can generate for your passive income portfolio. Algorithmic trading is another area where AI shines. AI algorithms analyze massive datasets and execute trades based on predefined criteria and market trends. This hands-off approach to trading can yield consistent returns, making it an attractive option for passive income seekers. We'll explore the strategies behind algorithmic trading and how AI's ability to react swiftly to market changes can benefit your passive income goals. AI is transforming real estate investment by streamlining property search, analysis, and management. AI algorithms can identify promising investment opportunities, predict property values, and even automate rent collection and property maintenance. We'll provide insights into how AI is reshaping the real estate investment landscape and making it more accessible for those looking to generate passive income through property. 3. Content creation and monetization. Our third segment delves into AI's role in content creation and monetization. AI-powered tools can generate high-quality content, including articles, blog posts, and even videos. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning to produce content that's both informative and engaging. We'll discuss specific AI content generation tools and how they can help you consistently produce content for your blog, website, or YouTube channel to drive passive income. AI excels at SEO optimization that can analyze search engine trends, keyword competitiveness, and user behavior to recommend the best strategies for improving your content's visibility online. This, in turn, can boost your passive income through increased organic traffic. We'll explore how AI-driven SEO tools can supercharge your content's performance and revenue potential. Predictive analytics powered by AI. I help you understand your audience's behavior and preferences. By leveraging this data, you can create content that resonates with your target audience, leading to higher engagement and monetization opportunities. We'll discuss how AI analytics tools can guide your content strategy and maximize your passive income potential through more effective content creation. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. Our fourth segment explores how AI can revolutionize e-commerce and dropshipping for passive income. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations. By implementing AI-powered recommendation systems, you can increase sales, upsell products, and enhance your passive income from e-commerce. We'll provide examples of businesses that have successfully leveraged AI-driven product recommendations to boost their revenues. AI's ability to predict demand and optimize inventory management is a game changer for dropshipping businesses. By automating inventory decisions, you can minimize stockouts, reduce excess inventory costs, and ensure a seamless customer experience. We'll delve into the intricacies of AI-powered inventory management and its impact on your dropshipping operations. AI-driven pricing algorithms are designed to maximize your profit margins by adjusting product prices dynamically. By constantly analyzing market conditions, competitor pricing, and customer behavior, these algorithms can help you optimize your pricing strategy for passive income growth. We'll discuss real-world examples of businesses that have achieved significant revenue increases through AI-driven pricing optimization. 5. Risk management and security. Our fifth segment emphasizes the importance of AI in risk management and security for passive income endeavors. AI algorithms are exceptionally effective at identifying fraudulent activities and protecting your financial assets. Whether you're running an online store or managing an investment portfolio, AI can analyze transaction data to detect irregularities and prevent financial losses. We'll provide concrete examples of how AI's fraud detection capabilities can safeguard your passive income streams. Portfolio diversification is a key strategy for risk management in passive income investing. AI tools can analyze vast datasets and recommend diversified investment options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. We'll discuss the science behind AI-driven portfolio diversification and its role in risk mitigation. AI's real-time market insights and alerts provide you with valuable information to make informed decisions about your passive income strategies. Whether it's a sudden market shift or an emerging opportunity, AI can keep you in the loop. We'll explore how AI-powered market insights can be a game changer in your passive income journey by helping you stay ahead of the curve. 6. AI and personal finance management. Our sixth segment takes a closer look at how AI is transforming personal finance management for passive income enthusiasts. AI-driven budgeting apps can automatically categorize your expenses, track your spending patterns, and suggest ways to save money. These tools empower you to optimize your finances effortlessly, ensuring you have more funds to invest and grow your passive income. We'll discuss the benefits of using AI in budgeting and how it can boost your savings and investment capacity. AI algorithms analyze credit report data to provide tailored strategies for improving your credit score. A higher credit score can open doors to better lending rates and financial opportunities, ultimately boosting your passive income potential. We'll explore how AI can help you take control of your credit and enhance your financial standing. AI-powered retirement planning tools can create personalized retirement strategies based on your financial situation and goals. By optimizing your retirement savings and investments, you can ensure a comfortable and secure passive income stream in your golden years. We'll discuss the role of AI in retirement planning and long-term passive income generation. 7. AI and passive income analytics. Our seventh segment focuses on how AI can enhance the analytics and optimization of your passive income strategies. AI analytics tools can crunch vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights into your passive income streams. From tracking the performance of your investments to assessing the ROI of your content marketing efforts, AI can offer data-driven recommendations for optimization. We'll discuss how AI can help you fine-tune your passive income strategies for maximum efficiency and profitability. AI's predictive modeling capabilities enable you to forecast your future passive income with greater accuracy. By analyzing historical data and market trends, AI can provide insights into your expected income, allowing you to set realistic financial goals. We'll explore how AI can be your financial crystal ball, helping you plan and execute your passive income strategies with confidence. The beauty of AI is its ability to continuously optimize your passive income strategies. Whether it's adjusting your investment portfolio, refining your content marketing approach, or fine-tuning your e-commerce pricing, AI can adapt to changing circumstances to maximize your earnings. We'll provide examples of how AI's continuous optimization can lead to sustainable and growing passive income streams. In conclusion, the synergy between AI and passive income is reshaping the way we build and grow our wealth. From investment optimization to content creation, e-commerce, risk management, personal finance, analytics, and more, AI tools are your allies in the pursuit of financial freedom. If you found this video enlightening and empowering, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those eager to explore the potential of AI for passive income. The opportunities are vast, and with the right AI tools and strategies, you can embark on a journey towards financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to Mindshift TV for more thought-provoking content on technology, wealth creation, and personal growth. The future of passive income is AI-powered, and it's yours to embrace. Until next time, keep shifting your mindset toward financial freedom, and I'll see you in the next video.